Hello guys and welcome back to the new video. The marketing landscape is changing constantly. The 2025 is not an exception. If you are worried that your current marketing strategies won't help you to scale in 2025, here comes the video where I am going to share with you 10 trends which you can easily follow in your marketing campaigns and you can get the best ROI from your campaigns. So let's start. The first point is rise of AI. All of us are aware that every application is implementing the AI so that their users can utilize the app in a better way. If you think about the ChatGPT, you will come to know that it has evolved a lot from the launching date. Same way, so many analytical as well as creative tools are coming with AI-enabled features. So AI analytics can help you predict the future trends of your website or the purchases, and you can plan accordingly. So make sure you are implementing AI in your marketing strategies. The second point is the dominance of short-form videos. All of us are aware that Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts are trending nowadays because the attention of the people are getting less and less. So what is the solution? Whenever you are going to deliver any content in the Reels, make sure it is in a storytelling format because people don't just want the knowledge. People want the story behind your knowledge. So learn about how to convey your point through the storytelling and make it engaging so that people will be able to share your content and you will get the better organic reach. The third point is voice search commands. If you see, this particular trend is trending from 2023. But still, people are not optimizing their marketing efforts in that way. If you compare two queries, one written and one through the voice, there is a huge difference between the context. So make sure that your marketing effort is targeting the context of the searches and they are solving the problems of your visitors. The fourth trend is AR and VR. Augmented reality and virtual reality. If you see, the Amazon has already implemented the AR in their app. Through that, you can take the experience of their products in your original world. This helps you to make your decisions stronger and easier and faster. As a consumer product, you will have to see how you can implement AR and VR on your website so that people can experience your product and they can make a decision depending on the experience they are getting from your website. You can also go for the virtual tour of your store. That will help the consumer to think about his requirement and if you are serving it before visiting your store. The fifth point is zero-party data collection. That means if you see, the GDPR compliant are getting tighter and stricter than even before. So you will have to make sure that your viewers and visitors are sharing their data voluntarily, and that's why you will be able to utilize it more. Taking the data voluntarily helps the brands in building the trust among their community, and this also helps you to get the better business from your community. The sixth point is niche communities and micro influencers. If you see, nowadays everyone wants to create a content, but what about the micro influencers? That is going to be the key because those are demographic based influencers, those who can easily influence the people from their city or their region. So that's why always focus on creating a quality content and the content which is relevant to your city or your region. Also, we at Hans Creation, we always try to collaborate with micro influencers because what we have observed is the content which they are producing has a better engagement rate compared to the famous influencers. So that's why I will highly suggest you to start your journey as a content creator and target for the micro influencer. The seventh point is hyper localized marketing. If you see, the trend of near me queries has increased a lot from 2022. Previously, people were mostly going on the Google to search something or Amazon and Flipkart. But nowadays, people go on Google Maps. First, they see the availability of the product in the offline store and then they check something online. So that's why I will highly suggest you to focus on local marketing campaigns. The eighth point is interactive content. 2024 was all about the content creation, but 2025 is all about the interactive content like the quiz or the polls. If you see on LinkedIn, people are asking about your opinion. Why this is happening is because people like to contribute to whatever you are saying. They want to share their experiences on social media. So make sure you are creating the interactive content that will help your community to share their experiences so that you can get the better traction for your video. The ninth trend which you can follow is community building. If you see, on Instagram, there are so many creators or even businesses, those who are focusing on building the community. What community exactly means is the group of people, those who trust the brand and they are ready to act depending on what the particular person or the brand is asking them to do. This is definitely a very tough task because influencing someone needs some type of authenticity in your content. So, whenever you are going to generate the content, try to create the content which will solve the problem of your community and not just the advertising content. For example, if you are a clothing brand, so you can focus on creating the fashion related videos where you can showcase your products which has been used by the influencers or micro influencers to get the best attire. So these type of marketing activities will trend in 2025. And the 10th point is rise of cross-channel marketing. That means what I have observed is people are only depending on the online activities and they are just ignoring the offline activities. That is not the right thing. If you really want to establish your brand, make sure that you are available online as well as offline. Because when your brand is present on a cross platform, that is online as well as offline, the chances are very high that people will start trusting your products. We at Hans Creation, we always recommend our clients to go multi-channel instead of just going for Facebook or Google ads. Because what we have observed is if you as a visitor is looking at our ad on Facebook, on Google, on YouTube and as well as in the offline media, the chances are very high that you will purchase the particular product and you will also trust our brand very easily. So make sure you are putting all your efforts on a cross-channel marketing online as well as offline. So that's it from my end, guys. So hope this video was helpful to you and you can share it with your entrepreneur friends. And if you find any value, share with your friends. If you have any suggestions about the trends which can be followed in 2025, just comment into the box and share this video with your entrepreneur friends. Those might get help from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much till the next time. Thank you.